Hello everyone, and welcome back to Teaching Treasures. Today we're going to start an exciting phonics adventure. We're going to learn the alphabet, beginning sounds, and how letters sounds. We'll even play a fun game at the end. Are you ready? Let's begin. What is the alphabet? The alphabet has 26 letters. Some are tall, some are round, and every letter has a name. And every letter makes a sound. Today, we're going to listen very carefully to those beginning sounds. Let's meet the letters. Can you point to each letter when we say it? Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Well done! You did a great job! Remember, our letters make sounds. Let's look at those sounds. This is the letter A. A says A, like apple. Can you say it? A, A, A. This is the letter B. B says B, like bear. Can you say it? B, B, B. This is the letter C. C says K, like cat. Can you say it? K, K, K. This is the letter D. D says D, like dog. Can you say it? D, D, D. This is the letter E. E says E, like elephant. Can you say it? E, E, E. This is the letter F. F says F, like flower. Can you say it? F, F, F. This is the letter G. G says G, like grapes. Can you say it? G, G, G. This is the letter H. H says H, like house. Can you say it? H, H, H. This is the letter I. I says E or I, like ice cream or igloo. Can you say it? E, E, E. I. This is the letter J. J says J, like jam. Can you say it? J, J, J. This is the letter K. K says K, like kite. Can you say it? K, K, K. This is the letter L. L says L, like lion. Can you say it? L, L, L. This is the letter M. M says M, like moon. Can you say it? M, M, M. This is the letter N. N says N, like nest. Can you say it? N, N, N. This is the letter O. O says ah, like orange. Can you say it? Ah, ah, ah. Fantastic! This is the letter P. P says P, like penguin. Can you say it? P, P, P. This is the letter Q. Q says qu, like queen. Can you say it? Qu, qu, qu. This is the letter R. R says r, like rainbow. Can you say it? R, r, r. This is the letter S. S says S, like sun. Can you say it? S, S, S. This is the letter T. T says T, like train. Can you say it? T, T, T. This is the letter U. U says like umbrella. Can you say it? This is the letter V. V says V, like volcano. Can you say it? V, V, V. This is the letter W. W says W, like watermelon. Can you say it? W, W, W. This is the letter X. X says X, like xylophone and box. Can you say it? X, X, X. This is the letter Y. Y says Y, like yo-yo. Can you say it? Y, Y, Y. And this is the letter Z or Z. It says Z, like zebra. Can you say it? Z, Z, Z. Wow, that's amazing! You're sounding out letters. Now it's game time. I'll show you a picture. You tell me the sound. Are you ready? Let's go. What sound? That's right. Ah! What sound? Yes, duh. What sound? What sound? Ooh. What sound? What sound? S. What sound? T. Fantastic! You're becoming a phonics superstar. Let's remember, today we learned the alphabet has 26 letters. Every letter has a sound, and we listened for beginning sounds. Well done! Give yourself a big clap. You did an amazing job today. If you enjoyed this lesson, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to Teaching Treasures so you don't miss our next phonics lesson. Remember, every great reader starts with one sound at a time. Thank you for learning with me today. Goodbye, everyone.